Hello students, today we are starting NCERT in Between the Lines series. इस सीरीज़ को एक्सोटिका द्वारा आपके सामने लाया जा रहा है. दिस सेशन है NCERT एक्सट्रैक्टेड क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम इट्स लाइन्स. NCERT के लाइन्स के बीच से हम लोग क्वेश्चन लाएंगे. दिस विल बी फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेज कंपाइल्ड एट वंस, so you don't have to worry. Each question has only one correct answer. I will strongly recommend that read NCERT before watching us, because what ultimate goal is to read NCERT. This is secondary. If you have read NCERT, and for practice you have to watch this video. Moving ahead. So I'm starting with sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Prelude will be covered, and the topic 1.1 starting on page number 3, I think page number 3. Only 2 topics will be covered. I'm adding the glimpse in each video so that you find it helpful कि आप उस पैराग्राफ या उस टॉपिक, उस पेज को आप NCERT से एक बारी रीड कर लो. Moving ahead, these are the pages you have to read, page number 3 and 4. The first question on your screen. Flowers convey important human feelings such as. ये straight forward NCERT line का question है, not twisted, very easy. Flowers convey important human feelings such as love and affection, happiness and grief, mourning, या फिर all of these. So all the 3 options are correct because this question is very straightforward, no twisting at all. Straightforward, no twisting. This is most probably asked in boards, important for your boards. Moving ahead, flowers are viewed as items with aesthetic value, correct. Ornamental value, correct. रिलीजियस एंड कल्चरल वैल्यू, वेरी करेक्ट, क्योंकि फ्लावर्स सीम वेरी एस्थेटिक, बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं फ्लावर्स देखने में. ऑर्नामेंटल वैल्यू, येस, दीज आर वेरी वैल्यूड एज ऑर्नामेंट. वीमेन वेयर कजरा, very important in Indian culture, beautiful Indian culture, true. Religious and cultural value. What are the religious and cultural value? आपने देखा होगा कई मज़ार पर फूल चढ़ाए जाते हैं, हमारे मंदिर में देवी देवताओं पर फूल चढ़ाए जाते हैं, गुरुद्वारे में फूल चढ़ाए जाते हैं. बहुत सारे रिलीजियस इम्पोर्टेंस है फ्लावर्स के. NCERT इज़ राइटिंग इट. सो अगर NCERT लिख रहा है तो we must mug it up. Moving ahead, this question is a little bit good as compared to the question we have done till now. Biologists consider flowers to be objects of. We are talking about marvels here. तो पहला है morphological marvel, yes. Embryological marvel, yes. Sites of sexual reproduction, yes. All the above options are correct. So option D is correct. All of the above. Moving ahead, next question. This question is good. Like अभी तक जो questions किए वो तो like तुक्का में ही हम लोग सही कर देंगे, लेकिन इसके लिए हमें be precise. सावधान हो जाओ यार. So A represents line of dehiscence. So let's find where A given as line of dehiscence. So cross, eliminate all the options. Eliminating, what does B show? B shows stalk या फिलामेंट भी हम कहते हैं स्टॉक को. Don't get confused with funicle. Funicle is another thing. Like I myself have done this blunder. I have called filament as funicle. भगवान मुझे कभी माफ़ नहीं करेगा. So filament B. C भी देखना होगा तब. नहीं, इसमें C लाइन ऑफ डिहाइसेंस दिया है तब तो ये गलत है. C has pollen sacs. यहाँ पे C सी क्या शो कर रहा है? This is important for both boards and needs. And D will be pollen grains. Important for both your boards and need. I will recommend that. Please read NCERT before our sessions. I think ये stamen वाले topic का questions आ गया है. I'm sorry for this mistake. This won't happen. I'm new at YouTube and I'm learning how to teach. So, thank you. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next topic.